if you like piña colada, make sure to watch this video. No te vayas muy lejos porque voy a compartir cómo hacer una piña colada afuera de este mundo. Bueno, en la pantalla tú vas a ver todos los ingredientes que tú vas a necesitar. All of the ingredients are right there on the screen. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of history about piña colada. Because if you love piña colada, let me tell you, you need to know that this famous tropical drink was invented in Puerto Rico. That's right, la Isla del Encanto. The sweet mix of coconut cream, pineapple juice, and for those of you who like to drink, you can add some rum, but this chick right here is making a virgin piña colada. Of course, you're also gonna need that ice. This drink again was born in San Juan, okay? Para que lo sepa. But the identity of its creator is still an unresolved controversy on the island, depending on who you ask, because there are 3 different bartenders claiming the invention as their own. Ay, Dios mío, pero qué lío. Entonces, ¿qué es lo que vamos a saber de esta piña colada? Bueno, in the Caribe Hilton Hotel, one of the most famous in San Juan, is the setting for 2 of the origin stories of the piña colada. On the one hand, the Caribe Hilton insisted that the recipe was created by Ramon Monchito Marrero, a bartender who worked at the hotel's Beachcomber bar and was commissioned to create a signature cocktail back in 1954. Pero Marrero quedó como 3 meses tratando de hacer este cocktail that, according to many sources, Hollywood legend Joan Crawford declared was better than slapping Betty Davis in the face. Talking about no more wire hangers, right? On the other hand, we have Ricardo Garcia, who was another bartender at the Caribe Hilton. Wow, they got a lot of people liking to drink over at the Caribe Hilton. Allegedly, he came up with a refreshing recipe that same year as a result of a coconut shortage that forced him to improvise. It looked like one of the 2 was eyeballing each other's ideas. But anyway, let's move on to Ramon Portas Mignot, another cocktailer at the Barachina in Old San Juan. And my family had the privilege to visit this restaurant over the summer while they were celebrating 60 years of La Piña Colada. This Barachina is located in Old San Juan, and Ramon was the 3rd bartender claiming about crafting this delicious tropical delight back in 1963. Now, there's even a plaque at the entrance of the establishment to commemorate the birthplace of this popular drink. Now, some other islanders say that the piña colada dates back to the 1800s and credit that the fruity drink to Puerto Rico pirate Roberto Cofresi, saying that he served his crew this beverage to boost morale. Ay, mama. While it is not known which hands were the ones that created the famous piña colada, one thing is for sure. It has not only become Puerto Rico's national drink, but a favorite around the world. And believe it or not, they even got a song talking about if you like piña colada, right? So regardless of where you travel, especially on those hot, nice Caribbean islands, you can be sure to always find a nice, delicious piña colada to sip on. I want to give a shout out to discoverpuertorico.com, where I was able to find a lot of history regarding the piña colada drink. So make sure to head on over to that website, especially if you are planning to visit Puerto Rico for the first time. They have a ton of information about the whole island, different restaurants to visit, places to see, and so much more. So make sure you head on over and check it out. They also have a recipe for the piña colada. Not the recipe I'm sharing here, but hey, to each his own, right? And so let me know your thoughts on this video. If you like it, make sure to subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can stay alerted to whenever I do videos. Now, it's time for me to serve up this piña colada and enjoy. The good thing is that it's dairy free, and that is totally my type of drink because I'm allergic to cow's milk. So I was able to find some whipped cream that is also non-dairy, totally made from coconut milk, and it really complemented this piña colada all the way. Y hasta aquí vamos a llegar con este video porque ya es tiempo que yo me siente a disfrutar esta piña colada que quedó por la maceta. Si te gusta este video, suscríbete, toca esa campanita para que tú puedas ser alerta cuando yo haga un nuevo video. Y no te olvides de darle un like y dejar un comentario. Bueno, my friends, hasta aquí. This is the cherry on top. It's time for me to go sipping. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye.